Now we'll come to the solved example. First one, area of the bottom of the tiffin box is 0.25 meter square and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. Now what is the formula for the pressure? Force per unit area. Force, so that is, it is a weight 50 Newton. Newton is what? It is a unit of the force. Area is given as 0.25. When you calculate this, you will get this answer. So the unit of the pressure, it is a Newton per meter square. So like this you will solve the sum. You just have to substitute the values in the formula. Now next it is calculate the relative density of iron. If the density of the water is 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and the density of iron is 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now what is the density, relative density formula? So it is a density of the substance. Now substance, it is what? Iron upon density of the water. Now you know what is the density of the iron. It is set at 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. So this, and the density of the water, it is 10 raised to 3. So this and this will get cancelled and you will get the answer as 7.85. So that is the relative density of the iron. So like this you have to solve the sum. Now next it is given as the area of the tip of the screw, it is 0.5 millimeter square and its weight is 0.5 Newton. Calculate the pressure in Pa exerted by the screw on the wooden plank. Now area, it is given as 0.5 into 10 raised to it is given as 0.5 millimeter square. Now this millimeter square has to be converted into meter because the pressure you have to calculate in Pa. So that is Pa, so that is Newton per meter square. So you have to convert this. So 1 millimeter means how many meter will be? 10 raised to minus 3. But since this is square, so you have to take this factor as twice, 2 times. So 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it comes as 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. So that is area. Then weight of the screw, it is given as 0.5 Newton. So pressure is equal to what? Force per unit area. That is weight upon area. Weight you know. Area, it is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. 0.5 will get cancelled. 10 raised to minus 6 is in the denominator. You bring it up in the numerator, it will come as plus. So like this you will be doing the sum. Now sum 4 you will not be writing. These 3 sums you will be writing in your notebook. As well as this sum, it is given. Last sum, a piece of the marble tile weighs 100 gram in the air, it is given. If its density is 2.5 gram per cc, what will be its weight in the water? Now this is given in CGS unit, so that is gram. Density is also given in the CGS unit. So how to solve the sum? Come to the next page. What is the formula for the density, mass upon volume? Now weight in the air, it is given as 100 gram. Now density is given as 2.5 gram per cc. How to calculate volume? Volume will be mass upon density. Mass is given. Okay, then upon it is density. So you will get the answer as 40 cc. So this you will get the answer. So this is the unit of the volume. So that is cubic centimeter. So that is there. Now it is said that according to Archimedes principle, when the piece is dipped in the water, what will happen? The water of volume equal to the volume of the piece, so that is 40 cc will be displaced. So when it is dipped in the water, how much volume it is being displaced of the piece? So that is 40. So then the loss in the weight of the piece will be equal to the weight of the displaced water, so that it is 40 gram. So this is the loss in the weight. So original weight, it is 100 and this much it is being displaced, so 40. So when it is dipped in the water, what it is the weight? It will be the 60 gram. So this you will be writing in your notebook.